Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, is one of the most powerful trading platforms for investors worldwide. I'll show you exactly how to buy stocks using the app, with step-by-step instructions and some tips. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the IBKR app from your platform. Log in using your credentials. If you're new, you'll have to sign up for an account at interactivebrokers.com. Make sure your account is funded before you start trading. You can link your bank account and deposit funds directly. Ensure you've set up two-factor authentication for added security. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. This will show your portfolio, watch list, and account performance. To search for a stock, tap on the search icon and enter the stock ticker or name. Then simply tap on it. You'll see its details including charts, price, and volume. Now we'll have the buy and sell button at the bottom of the screen. After selecting it, you can change the quantity, the order type, or the price. For beginners, market orders are the simplest. They execute when you click buy. You can also choose from limit and stop limit orders, which will execute when certain prices touch. Enter the number of shares or the amount you wish to invest. Review your order carefully and confirm the trade. You'll receive a notification once it's executed. Remember to research before you invest. Use the IBKR's app integrated tools like news feeds and analysis. Use the limit orders to control the maximum price you're willing to pay for a stock. And keep an eye on fees, especially if you're trading internationally. Ensure your account is pre-funded to avoid missing opportunities. You can check out the IBKR Global Trader app if you prefer a simplified interface for global stock trading. And Interactive Brokers YouTube channel offers tutorials for advanced features.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.